Day 1.
I can't read this over again.
Yes.
I have to really get it in my head.
Yes. Yes, it's day 1.
That was 2 sheets and I didn't see
Oh,
that
well, this
second sheet.
I have 2 of the chicken incubator, so this is the instruction
It's the
manual for.
same sheet.
It's the
Oh,
same.
okay. Well, I'm gonna read this.
Okay, you want Yeah, so this is day 1. I'm sitting with Gigi, and we are incubating our barnyard mix eggs. Woo! So exciting. Yes, we have astrolopes, Orpingtons, barred rock, and I have no idea. Silkies. Oh yeah, we have silkies in here. There's all kinds of chicken eggs in here.
Today is the 14th.
Yes. There's a 14th, Phoenix?
Yes.
Awesome. So we'll set our calendar. Yes, for next month we'll have some beautiful baby chicks in June. Yes. Yes. That should give us some time. We can start working on the area. Yeah, 21 days. That's motivating.
Grab that one. Something for baby. You see anything? No. That's a good sign. Turn it. Here. There's blood vessels in there, guys.
The shell's so hard.
Try one of these.
These shells are hard.
How about you try
There's
to
vines in here.
look at that vine.
So the ones up in there.
There's vine. Look at that. Okay. That's all for today. We'll see you later. Bye. It needs batteries.
Let's turn them.
What type of batteries?
I think it's all the way. Alright, so what we'll do. Okay. See? Right here. This little crack.
Show the one that has its beak out.
Where?
Right here.
Look, it's cracking. You can see the ones that are ready to hatch out. Stop. Boys. You hear that? On this one.
Stop. Sit.
Got another one. And a sleeping birdie over here.
I should let him sleep. Okay, I let him